Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. So, I've just gotten back from the sale of Adidas and now I have many different Adidas shoes in my hand. The reason why is because that at the sale the prices varies from like 25 to 35 US dollar, which I consider super reasonable for this brand. So today I will introduce first to you one of the favorite sneaker from my purchase this time. So this one is the Adidas Adios Adizero 6. Oh my god, I love this from straight from the first look. So let's have a closer look of this model. So this is our model Adidas Adios Adizero 6. So as you know, I'm not really a big sport fan, but I still know that this line of Adizero is very famous for the running sneaker of Adidas, and this one have a very familiar look. Like it looks just like the Boston line of the Adizero Adidas. And for this sneaker, you can see there are a lot of technology imprinted into it. You can see that firstly, and the most recognizable is the Light Strike Pro technology, which is basically a block of material placing inside the sneaker from here, from this part in the midsole until this part in the outsole. Yeah, it's just like a block of material placing at the front of your sneaker. So whenever you run and you pushing the fork into the sneaker, it will move up into this direction, and all of your fork will placing in this super comfortable blocks of elastic material, which help protecting your feet very well. And so by applying this, I think this sneaker is more suiting for the one who have the style of touching the crowd by their front part of their feet more than the one with the back type of touching. And secondly, the technology that you can see here, yeah, I don't know if you can see it well, it is the torsion system, which have like concentrating on the forces when you run into the front part. So this sneaker is very good for runner. Yeah, of course, because it's from the running line. Another features I want you to see in the outsole is that it has the continental outsole, which I believe is made from recycled material. And in this outsole, you can notice that there are a lot of like facets that you can see. So it helps increasing the chances that the outsole touching the ground and make your run feel more stable. And now checking up at the upper of the sneaker, which is my favorite part. In this particular sneaker, the toe box is very wide. Whenever the body is a little bit thinner, you can see from the form of this. So with this structure, I think the sneaker is very tight for one who have very wide feet. So whenever you have wide feet, considering go up a half size. And with this type of sneaker, you can see that the main material of the sneaker upper is the mesh. Yeah, with very good and fancy detailing. I think this is one of the most fashionable running sneaker that I have ever seen, because it looks very elegant even though you wear for fashions. So with this particular sneaker, the mesh layer is super thin. You can see here. Yeah, you can see all of the line going through the layer of mesh. So that's the reason why this sneaker is very light comparing to a lot of sneaker that I have had. So this is very light, and also the heel of this sneaker have a very thick cushioning layer, and the neck still have cushioning, but here is super thick, so it help protecting and help gripping your heel and your color of your feet whenever you run. So that's it. That is basically the features of Adidas Adios Adizero 6. I hope this review is helpful for you when considering purchasing this sneaker. And that's it. See you again in another episode of Chim Sneaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting sneaker content. Bye bye.